Now we will solve the problem. This is a very important problem. So this problem you can expect very regularly in the examination. So it carries 8 marks. So 100%ly I can guarantee you. So this is the one of the important problem. So that's why, so practice one or more time, because this is the 100% sure problem, which most 90% of the question paper they ask it very frequently. Okay. Let me see how to solve the problem. Okay, so in this method, see here, this is the problem on a average factor method. So you can see the given question. This is what the the problem they are given. Okay, so you have to find out the origin and the destination point they are given with respective the trips also given. So what you have to do is the future trips which has been generated in the first, second and third are expected to be 360 and 180, 1260 and 3120 respectively. So they are given this much. Okay, so now you have to find out the what is the max, the number of the trips which can be established in the future. So that's what you have to find out. So let me see what you have to do. Okay. So whatever the given points are there, whatever the tables, origin and the destination, whatever it is given, so you write it as it is. Okay, so up to till here you have to write it. Okay. This is the first step you have to do it. Okay, later next another one column, small pi and pi. Okay, so this you have to write it. So what is this small pi is the present generated trips for the zone I. Okay, another pi is the future generated. One is present. Okay, so this is for present. Okay, this is for present. Future for right one. Okay, the future generated trips at the zone I. Okay. This is what you have to do. Right? The next is aj and capital AJ. Small AJ is the present. Okay, capital A is the future trips which has been attracted from the zone J. Okay, one is future trips which has been attracted, and another is the present. Okay. One is present, another is the future. Okay, present is smaller one. Okay, whatever smaller one is the present. This one wrong one. This is the present. This is the present. Okay, future is capital. Okay, future is the capital one. Okay, so here future is the capital P. Okay, here it is the small capital A is the future. Okay, so try to remember like this. So now you write small pi, capital Pi, small aj and capital J. Okay, later on, so what you have to do is, so respective whatever you have, so just add it and write it. Okay. So whatever here it is there, that's all. The present one, you whatever the present is there, you just add it and write down. Okay, so that is what the first step you have to do it. Okay. So this is not exactly 200. Okay, so it is 20. Okay. Don't take it as 200, so it is a mistake. It is 200, 300, 500, 500 plus 20, 520. So that's what here it is 520. Okay, next, this is the future trips which has been generated. So that is given in the question only. Okay, So 1260, this is not 1280, it is make it as 1260. Okay, so whatever it is given here, you write it as it is here. Okay. So that is the future trips which has been generated. Okay, got it. So whatever addition, whatever it is there, you have to add it here. So whatever is given here, so that one you have to write it here. Okay, so next what you do is, so you know that factor ei is equal to pi divided by pi. Okay. So capital P divided by small p. So small p is the denominator, you can see here, small p is the denominator. So 360 divided by 360, 1260 divided by 120, that is 3. 3120 divided by 520 is 6. Okay, this is for here. Okay, next for here, what you have to do it, I will tell you. So here also you add it, write it, add it and write it here, add it and write it here. Okay, so whatever it is here, you write it for capital A. Okay, so respective of all you write it. So if you divide small a divided by capital AJ, so then you will get 136. Okay, so this is how you have to do it for the, this is the first step you have to do it. Okay, so then there is another formula. Okay, so the formula is Tij is equal to small tij into ei plus ei plus ej divided by 2. Okay, so first what you have to do for the t11 t12, that is one is on origin, this is origin, so this is destination. So origin, destination, for each origin and the destination you have to calculate the trip which has been generated. Okay, so let me see. So ei, whatever, so this is ei and ej, so both you take it. Okay. So 1 so this is ei. Okay, so I will take it in. So this is ei and this is ej. Okay, ei, this is e1. Okay, so this is e1 and this one, so this number, whatever this number and this number, you have to take it. Okay, next you have to take this one, this right one and this one. After that you have to take this one. So 1 1, so 1 1 1 1 2 and same 1 3. Okay, this is all. So after one is finished means then you have to go for second one, so that is e2. Okay, so e1, e2 and e3. Okay, so like that you have to add it. Okay, tij factor, this factor whatever it is there. Okay, so that factor you have to take respective one. So if you're taking e1 and j1 means you have to take this one. Okay, e1 and ej is 200, this one. Okay, next is 1 3. Okay, like this. So you have to see like this. Okay, every time you have to see like this. Okay, this is ei this side. Okay, sorry, this is ej and ei. Okay, so try to know like this. Okay. So RMR whatever I'm showing here, like that only you have to see it. Okay. So see like that, for every time you take see here, first one 1 1. Okay, so that's what here it has been taken. Next is 1 3, next is 1 6. Okay, here it has been written. Okay, so that is ti. Okay, So into 60, first one you take it this one, second one you have taken this one, no, so that's why you take this 100. Okay, this is the factor which you are multiplying, no, that's one tij, small tij. Next third one you take 300, this one. Okay. Next later you have to take once, for 100 you have to take it. Next multiplication factor I'm telling it is small tij. Next 20, next is 300, like that you have to take it. For that one, for if you are taking this one means 3 1. So next you are taking this one means 3 3. Okay. Next you are taking for 300 means 3 6. Okay, so that's what it has been here. Okay, 3 6 200 300. Okay, you can see here 3 6 300, 3 3. So 3 3 here, that is for 20. So you can see here 20. Okay. So that's how, like this you have to see. Next for third one, 6 1 6 1 6 3 and 6 6. Okay, so you can see here for third one, for all that if you multiple 3 for all that if you multiple, so everything that is you have to take multiplication factor. So for 3 1, okay, 3 1 3 3 and 3 6. Okay, so same thing you take it and you do respectively. Okay. All the things you have to do it same. Next so after doing this, okay, so later okay, here you can see here, see after doing till here, then what you have to do is, see here, whatever the table, whatever it is there, the here the middle one you write it as it is. Okay. Later ai small j and capital J, both if you write it, and the respective one small p and small capital pj, sorry, capital capital I and small pi, both you have to write it. Okay. Then so in the previous step, first method, first iterations of what you have done, the same one you have to divide it one after the other. Okay. So this is the forecasting, so that is what given. Okay. Now whatever the t1 t2 t3 whatever it is there, 1 1 2 1 3, so the same whatever you have to write it here. So here whatever the purple color I'm showing now, okay, this 260 and whatever 1350 is there, you have to write it that one. Okay. So next red one 70 1350 and 120 whatever it is there, I have to write here. Okay. So next whatever steps, everything is common, so add it, write it here, add it and write it here. Okay. So whatever capital J and capital P, whatever capital PI is there, so that is forecasted, that is given in the question. So one after the other you divide it. Okay, one after the other you divide it. Okay, this divided, this one and this one you divide it. So later finally you will get this answer, this ratio you will get it. So finally whatever this ratio you will get now, so you leave it as it is. That's all.